friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a double crochet. So I have showed you how to make the chain stitch and the single crochet. If you do not know how to make those, go ahead and check the links down below and there will be a link on how to make those stitches. So I did show you when we were making the chain how to do a yarn over, which is simply where you pull your working yarn from the back to the front. So that's going to be our first step here. So you already have your one loop on the hook and you went ahead and you wrapped your yarn around. Now we're simply going to work like we did with the single crochet, holding this loop on our yarn. We're going to put our hook into this stitch just like we did with the single crochets, and then again we are going to wrap our working yarn over. We will then pull our hook with this yarn through just like that. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. So just like we did with the single crochet, we're going to yarn over, but instead of going through all of the loops on our hook, we are going to pull this yarn through these 2 loops. Okay, so there's 1 loop, here's 2 loops. So now we still have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull through those last 2 loops on our hook. And now we have only 1 loop on our hook. There you go. Congratulations, you have completed your first double crochet. I'm going to go ahead and show that to you again, just a little bit slower. So we're going to yarn over and hold that yarn. Now we're going to insert our hook into the next chain stitch or single crochet, doesn't matter. Again, we are just practicing this stitch. You're going to pull up that yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You are going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We are going to yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. So now I will go ahead and work a couple stitches with you, and then I will show you how to turn your work when you are working a double crochet. So again, yarn over, put your hook through the loop, yarn over again and pull up a loop. We now have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops, 1 loop, 2 loops, okay, yarn over, pull through the last 2, excuse me, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull your loop up, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. There you go, you guys. So then once you get down to your very last stitch and we want to turn like we did on the single crochets, oops, we need to work our way up. So when we turned our single crochet row, remember we had to chain up 1 stitch. Well, to make the height that we need for the double crochets, we're going to chain 3. So just like we do when we start our foundation chain row, or this chain down here to start working, we are going to do the same thing. So we're going to yarn over and pull through the 1 loop on our hook. Do that again, yarn over, pull through the 1 loop on your hook, and 1 more time. So let's take a look. We now have 1, 2, 3 chains. So remember, to turn our work, we take the work that's on the right side and move it to the left side. Now, since we are beginning, we are just going to go ahead and work back into the same stitch. So just like the single crochet, we have these little holes. So we're going to, like we did before, we're going to yarn over and pull up that loop right there. We're going to go directly into this hole next to where we chained. we're going to pull this loop up. So just like before, we have 1, 2, and 3. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 more loops. So we are beginning, so this right here that we just did, you see right there, that's going to be the top of our stitch. So moving on, we're just going to continue practicing this stitch. So we're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, put our hook in there, yarn over, and draw up a loop. We now have 3, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 more loops. Yarn over, go into the next stitch. You have 3, go through 2, and go through 2. And that is all there is to it, you guys. If you need to go back and rewind this video to continue practicing this double crochet to be able to master it, go ahead, just rewind the video, rewatch this, and I hope this is helping you learn how to crochet. I hope you were able to understand my instructions. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you all thought, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get more tips and tricks on how to crochet to learn to begin, as well as small beginner projects. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.